Hi, my name is Sylvie. I help moms feel great and lose weight by healing their gut and nourishing their body with superfood. On this channel, you will find simple recipes and practical tips that will transform your health. The best part is, you will not feel overwhelmed or deprived. In today's video, I give you my 3 favorite green superfood powder smoothie recipes. These recipes are all created using the template I will provide with the link in the description below. You will get my peaches and cream smoothie recipe, my blackberry green superfood smoothie recipe, and my mango ginger superfood smoothie recipe. Now, let's get to it.
Our first green superfood powder recipe is my peaches and cream smoothie. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of peaches, 1 or 2 carrots, 2/3 of a cup of coconut kefir, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil or coconut oil, and your green powder. So here I'm adding the kefir, some water, carrots, my frozen peaches, my coconut oil, and my superfood green powder. Now, for my blackberry superfood green smoothie, you will need 1 banana, 1 or 2 carrots, 1 cup of frozen blackberries, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, your green superfood powder, and half a cup of coconut kefir. For this specific recipe, I've lied through the ingredients here in this video, so I'm just gonna let you watch. The last recipe is my mango ginger superfood green smoothie. And for this recipe, you will need 2 cups of frozen mango, 1 carrot or beet, 1 orange, 2 basil nuts, your greens, and 1 thumb of ginger. Again, here you'll watch me add my mango and the ginger, my water, the orange, or you can use a grapefruit. I also have the basil nuts, the beets, and my superfood green powder. Enjoy!
I hope you enjoyed these green superfood powder smoothie recipes as much as I do. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite smoothie recipe. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out, and thanks for watching.